Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I actually found a skull in my backyard. I don't know if you will be able to see it, or if I should go closer. I'm quite scared, you know. So I was just taking my dog for a walk around my estate. By the way, I stay at Abdullahi Atta Estate around Lukoguma. So this is like around 4 p.m. in the evening. So I think I'm gonna go close to it right now and see if I can find it, because I saw it some days back, and yeah, basically the sun is like setting already, and let me just check it out if I could be able to see it. I'm not seeing it anymore. Oh, I wasn't sure. Or was it this call? Oof. I'm honestly not for it. I didn't even excavate it. Oof. Okay, I think it has been removed for some reasons. I think it has been removed, but I was quite sure there was a skull here some days back. I wasn't just brave enough to come video it at that particular moment. I sure it's a skull. I think I'm seeing something close. Let me take a closer look again. It's not skull. It's not skull. It's just chunks of paper being intertwined. It looks like a skull though. So sorry for wasting your time. But by the way, I'm taking a walk with my dog, and let me just quickly show you her. That's Khaleesi. Khaleesi, come. Yeah, baby girl. So that's Khaleesi, and yeah, these are. Say hi to YouTube. Hey, you don't lick me. Say hi to YouTube. We're just here chilling. I see a glow. Oof. So how have you all been? It's been a while. I'll be traveling for Hajja's wedding soon, and yeah, that's basically it. And I hope you are doing great in whatever cities that you are. By the way, I could start this in my channel actually. This is like a question and answer series. And what do you want to ask me? What do you want to know? Just like comment whatever you want to know about me. Do you have any questions concerning baking? Have you been having challenges in your baking procedures? What do you want to know? Is there anything that you feel you're doing wrong while baking? Do you want to know my secret on how I started making millions in baking? Yeah, just ask me. I might do a separate video on that. So whatever you want to know, just come for me at the comment section, and I'm gonna tell you. And by the way, the next video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how I made. I think I'm just gonna put a image up here to show you how I made this wood effect cake. It's quite easy. It's gonna be a long video though, about 1 hour plus. So yeah, that's it, and I'm gonna catch you next time. Peace out.